In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PowerPoints to Google Slides. This process is incredibly useful if you're looking to collaborate on a presentation online, share it easily, or simply take advantage of Google's cloud-based features. Whether you're a student, educator, or professional, this skill can help streamline your workflow. First, you need to navigate to Google Slides. You can easily find this by going to slides.google.com in your web browser. If you're new to Google Apps, you'll find that Slides is part of Google's suite of online productivity tools, which includes Docs and Sheets. Once you've reached Google Slides, you'll need to log in using your Google account. This could be your Gmail account or any account registered with Google. If you don't have one yet, creating a Google account is free and straightforward, providing you with access to a multitude of useful applications. After logging in, you'll arrive at the Google Slides homepage, where you can see existing presentations or start a new one. Next, open up the presentation you intend to work with. To do this, go to the main menu where you'll find various options. It's always a good idea before proceeding to make sure the presentation you want to import is easily accessible on your computer. With your presentation open, click on the File option located on the top left of the menu bar. You'll see a drop-down menu unfold which contains various functions. From this menu, you need to click on Import Slides. This will trigger a dialog box, inviting you to commence the process of importing slides from your PowerPoint presentation. When the box opens, click on the Upload tab. This tab is geared towards helping you upload files from your own computer. Following this, you'll spot the Browse button. Click on it and it will guide you to locate your PowerPoint presentation within your computer's file directory. Now browse your files and select the specific PowerPoint file you want to convert to Google Slides. After you've found it, click on Open. At this point, patience is key as you need to wait for the upload to complete. Depending on the size of the file and your internet speed, this could take a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Once uploaded, you'll see a view where you can select the specific slides you wish to import. This flexibility lets you pick and choose exactly what content you need without having to import everything. Select your slides, then hit the Import Slides button. And there you have it. Your PowerPoint presentation has now been imported and converted into Google Slides, ready for you to edit, share, or present. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful in enhancing your working efficiency.